An excavator!
Whoa!
This is an excavator. That is a dump truck, and these are rocks. And the excavator put the rocks in the back of the dump truck. Bye-bye, dump truck. Vroom, vroom, vroom. Vroom, vroom. Bye. Vroom. No more rocks, no more dump truck. Wow, this excavator is so neat. I think we should look at the parts and learn the parts of an excavator. Okay, first, oh, this right here is the bucket. Yeah, it scoops stuff up and puts it in the back of the dump truck, or digs up a hole and puts that dirt or material in some other place. Right here, that is the arm, and it extends the bucket out further or digs deep. Right here, ooh, that is the boom. The boom and arm are attached to the bucket and the cab. The cab is where the operator of the excavator sits. And then how the excavator gets all of its power is from the engine. Wow, that's a big engine back there. And then the excavator actually runs on tracks. Wow, tracks are really useful because then you won't get stuck very often. Whoa, that's so cool. That looks like most of the parts of the excavator we will learn today.
Whoa.
Ooh. That was so much fun learning the parts of the excavator with you. If you want to dance and sing along to the excavator song, all you gotta do is search for my name and excavator song. Blippi, B-L-I-P-P-I. Blippi, that's my name. Blippi excavator song. Whoa! Here, listen, I'll show you some of it.
Workers sit, it's called a cab, where they control the bucket to scoop and grab. I'm a hole regulator, I'm an excavator. Oh, can't you see that I work all day?
Do you ever sleep?
No time for sleep. an excavator. Excavator. Hey, dirt, see you later. I'm an excavator. Come on, everyone, let's make learning fun. So much to learn about, it'll make you want to shout, Blippi!
Parents, siblings, grandparents, babysitters. I'd love for you to head on over to my social media pages like Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter because I have